Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Charles Schwab fund for high yield and low cost investing. And here's the breakdown. If you want your money to grow without paying high fee, Charles Schwab has become a great low cost fund that beginner and long-time investor love. One top option is a Schwab United States Broad Market ETFs. It invests in thousands of United States companies, spread your risk, and comes with very low fee, so more of your money stays invested in your account. For income plus growth is another strong choice. It focuses on companies that pay steady dividend, giving you regular income while still growing over time. If you want global exposure, this also lets you invest outside the United States at a low cost, so this fund is simple, affordable, and ideal if you want high value without complexity. If this also helps you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section which Schwab fund you would like to start with today. And that's it.